Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm your host Mohammed Udoy Hassan Orko will show you how to set up and configure a Windows remote desktop server on Amazon. If you are new to our YouTube channel then please click on the subscribe button. If this video helps you then please don't forget to give a like and a share. So, let's get started. To create a remote desktop server you need to log into your existing Amazon Web Services account. If you are new to Amazon Web Services and don't know how to create an Amazon Web Services account, then let me know in the comment. I'll try to make a video on how to register on Amazon Web Services. For now, if you don't have an account then click on Create an AWS account. And if you already have an existing AWS account, then from My Account click on AWS Management Console. Now, enter your account credentials, and log into AWS Management Console. From AWS Management Console, now try to find Lightsail by searching on the top search bar. Now, click on the Lightsail link, it will redirect you to the Lightsail control panel. Now, visit the Instances tab. This will be auto-selected if you directly come to this page. We currently do not have any instances. So, we will directly click on the Create Instance. Now, here we have two kinds of instances. First one is Linux and second one is Windows. We will select Windows because when it comes to RDP, Windows perform better than Linux. I'm choosing Windows Servers version 2019. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see the server pricing. You can choose any of them. But I'll suggest choosing a minimum of 2 core CPU and 2 GB RAM. Now, give your instance a unique name. So that, you can identify it later. No need to give key-only tags or key-value tags. They are optional and doesn't affect your RDP server. Now, after reviewing your server configuration, click on Create Instance. Now, you will be able to see your RDP server in the instances. But wait. Why it is gray? I know this question will come to most of your mind. So the answer is, after clicking on the Create Instance, it usually takes some time to create your instance. So, we need to wait for a while. So, now if we refresh the page, we will see that our instance has been successfully created, and running properly. Now, if we click on the instance box, it will allow us to manage the instance. From here we can see our RDP server's public IP, username and password. We will be needing these three details to connect to our remote desktop server. Now, put your IP address and the username in the fields. And if you want to save these details for the next login, then click on Remember Me. After that from the Lightsail Management Console, click on Show Default Password, then it will give you the RDP password. Copy the password and paste the password in the input field. Now, for the first time login, it will ask you, do you trust this remote PC certificate and want to continue? Select Yes to continue. If you want to dismiss this notice for future connection to this server, then select Don't Ask Me Again for connections to this computer, and then click on Yes. Hooray! We are now successfully logged in, and now it will ask you for network permission. Click Yes. Now, the server is fully ready. You can now install anything you want. By default, these servers come with an old Internet Explorer browser. So, first time you need to use it, to install a better browser. I think you know how to install a good browser, so, I'm not showing that. Let's quickly check the server's internet speed from fast.com. From fast.com we can see, the speed of the server is not bad. It is about 280 megabits per second. It is enough to do all the works very smoothly. Our full setup is done. But there is one single problem. The problem is our current public IP is dynamic. Which means if you do a shutdown or reboot this public IP will be changed, and your server will be assigned to a new IP address each time. So to solve this we will be setting up a static IP. For the Lightsail in each region, you will get up to free 5 static IPs that will not charge you extra. So, now our static IP is also set up. From now on to log in to the server, we will be using this IP address every time. Now, you can see we are logged into the same server, with this new static IP. I hope you have liked this video. Be sure to give a like, and share this video with your friends. This is my first video. If you see any problem with my video, please let me know. And don't forget to suggest me what my next video should be. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.